Hi, I'm Carolyn and you're watching me on Femina. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. So in today's session, we are going to be focusing on a few asanas which really help to improve your flexibility. I'll also be sharing modifications of posture, so if you can't get into the final posture today, that's completely alright. Keep practicing so that you'll improve your flexibility to be able to do the final posture. And don't forget, always listen to your body as you practice and focus on your breath. So let's get started.
Let's start with your feet hip-width apart, palms on the hips, and inhale, exhale and bend forward, keeping the spine lengthened. Try to bring your abdomen closer to the thighs, and if you're comfortable, release your fingertips down on the mat. Again, inhale to lengthen your spine. You can place your palms on the shin. And as you exhale, bend forward completely. Try to hold your ankles from behind and bring your forehead closer to the shin. Try and straighten your legs and keep breathing. Now touch your fingertips to the ground. Inhale and exhale. Put your palms on the hips and inhale to slowly stand up. Turn the right foot, face your hips forward and extend your arms to the side. Exhale and move to the right. Look at the left palm and breathe. As you exhale, move towards the left. Bring your left palm towards the ankle and look at the right palm. Inhale and slowly come back to center. Exhale and release. Sit on your heels. Keep them hip-width apart. Release your toes and put your palms on the hips. Bend your upper body backwards. Now, if this is comfortable, slowly touch your heels. Breathe. Now to release, put your palms on the hips and exhale. Relax as you move your hips towards your heels. Touch the soles of your feet. Hold your toes, inhale and exhale, and now start to flap your legs like a butterfly. Flap every time you exhale. And now extend your legs to the sides and try to keep them as straight as possible. Inhaling, lengthen your spine and move your upper body forward. Try to touch your forearms to the ground. If possible, even try to bring your abdomen, chest and chin closer to the mat. Now to release, slowly bring your upper body in an upright position. Hold the back of your thighs and bend your leg. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position for a final twist. Put your right palm on the left knee and left palm behind. Exhale and twist. And now put your left palm on the right knee and right palm behind. Exhale and twist. Thank you. Namaste.